Hello, dear viewers. I am from ChronoByte, and today we are going to see what has OpenAI launched. Its name is Codex, and Codex is a VS Code extension, which is also a coding companion. It can write code, fix errors, add logics, enhance UI, and many more things related to coding. It is basically a blend of the world's most famous AI model, plus a way to express your feelings. Now, back to the point, I'm opening my pre-made file, which I made a moment ago. This file consists of a blank HTML index file. Now, you have to go to Extensions and install Codex. It is genuine, made by OpenAI, so no API needed. I've installed Codex earlier, but you have to install, then sign in with Google, and then proceed. Now, I would clear instruction to make a basic calculator. Taking time. Now it is asking me to write code in Editor. Look how fast it wrote code. Now I'll show you the result. It is working. Make sure that this is not the real model, just launched. So it is functional with numbers, operators, and everything cool. People make these Tayo of videos, but mostly ignores practical applications and setups. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit like, subscribe, share, and also comment to show us support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.